So, it's a little different day. Drive your car. We're going to remote learning and remote teaching. So, step one, still getting a morning soda. Is it the best thing? No. Do I want it? Yeah. I got to clean out my classroom. So that is step one. Okay, sure as most of you know, the governor has ordered to stay at home. So I won't be just remote. You won't be remotely learning, rather. I'll be remotely teaching. So here to get the last bit of stuff. Now here's the bad news. The Rock can't come with me. Hey, look, it's Pastor Sarah. Okay, The Rock can't come with us. The Rock's gonna stay here, but it'll be okay. All right, we won't worry about The Rock. He'll be our stone of hope. Yes. Step 2 of today: packing up stuff so I can remotely operate from home. That's right. You'll be learning from my house, which is still a guarded secret about where I live because I don't want you there. But yeah, so we're packing up here. Be checking in a little bit. All right. Don't like packing. I don't care what it's for. I don't like it. So I'm preparing to head out the door in a few minutes. I'll be working from home, but still working. U.S. history and world history, you got your new assignments for today. English 11, English 12, econ, speech. It's been the same thing for the entire week. You'll have your new stuff on Monday. Maybe over the weekend I might put it up. Of course, you're not responsible until Monday. Make sure you're checking Google Classroom all the time, checking your emails. I don't know if you saw this yesterday, but I will probably have some office hours later on Zoom. It's really easy. So I've had a couple people contact. Doesn't seem like it's too difficult. So if you go to Zoom, I'll be there. Just finding it's a little more friendly than Google Meets. At least right now, and I can use my phone, and my phone I think it looks prettier than other devices, I think. I don't know. All right, guys, so just keep up your great work. We've got this. We're getting through this. Definitely not the way we planned our school year in our fourth quarter, but we've got this together. Contact me if you have any questions. All right, guys? And now. I shall return.